You know that feeling when somebody reappears in your life and nothing stays the same? That tension hit me hard watching The Return. It's like the air suddenly gets heavier and every glance, every small word, they carry weight where you no expect. Zubby Michael's character shows how presence alone fits stir old wounds, while Chimamanda Augustine they give that quiet fire. She dey strong yet vulnerable, like somebody balancing hope and fear. You go notice how relationships shift without warning, like everybody they adjust to the new energy, trying to hold their ground. Even small moments like Ezekiel Bassey or Rhema Ezek sit down quietly, they tell story. It dey feel real because tension no dey only in big scenes. It dey hide for silence, for hesitation, for that second where person choose between saying truth or keeping peace. The movie dey remind you say life no dey wait. When past show face again, e no dey gentle. E dey expose choices, regrets, and strength where you never know you get. And you go dey ask yourself, can we ever really move forward? Or the echoes of before go follow us everywhere we go?